All right, we're gonna be talking about the droning team today.
Yes.
All right, what are these competitions about?
So this is new. It's the aerial drone competition. So it's a new team that we just started here at Hamady High School. And the drone competition is a racing drone competition that takes place actually all over the country. We'll be competing in aerial competitions here in Michigan. We'll go to some here in Flint. We'll go to some here in Detroit. And what it is that students will take indoor drones and they actually race through a course. And it's a timed course. And students score points based on what they do as far as time-wise throughout the course. What I love about it is that drone is a technology that's been out for a little while now, but it's growing in popularity. And what I love about us starting it here is that it's another way that we're able to expose the students here at Hamady High School to another area that is growing. So drones, there are drone teams that you can join in college. And I'm not sure about outside of the teams, I'm not sure about scholarships in that way, but they are a number of jobs that do not require a college degree, and the jobs pay well. There's a lot of people who make up to 6 figures flying drones. So
it's easy and it help you with different other skills. Like it helps you with teamwork.
He had no options to go try something like different. So droning is definitely different from basketball or other sports. If you don't like that, you don't like all that stuff, come fly a drone. See if you like it. If I get the chance to go full free paid for flying a drone, yes, I'm going, for sure.